Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm drawing the winner for this ladybug die. I had a giveaway in my last Temu haul. This is what the die creates, these super cute ladybugs. Here are the entries of everyone that was entered into this giveaway. And let's go ahead and draw a winner. My eyes are closed and let's pick one out. Let's see who we have. We have Just LM316. Congratulations. Please get a hold of me on Instagram and leave a comment down below so that we can make sure that you are who you say you are, and I will get this ladybug die out in the mail to you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day.